To disable pop-up notification for smoke and fire alarm alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under emergency section, tap smoke and fire alarms. While the alert for smoke and fire alarm notification is set to alert, tap the blue on off switch next to show as pop-up to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. By doing this action, when sound notification feature is on and it detects smoke or fire alarm, your phone will not show the notification as pop-up. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.